The Mission Memorial Hospital is getting a major upgrade as Fraser Health moves forward with an $18 million renovation.
Through the project, we're gaining about 35% of additional square footage, which is going to be meaningful. We're looking at about 17, 18 additional care spaces. Increasing the size of our trauma resuscitation bay. We'll be adding an anteroom to that for kind of team debriefing, preparation coming into trauma situations. We're adding a negative pressure airborne isolation room as well with its own dedicated anteroom and bathroom.
Ever since a pipe burst flooded the hospital's ER last January, emergency staff have been operating out of a temporary space.
It's been tough at times, I think, for the staff and for the community to receive care in less than optimal environment in the hospital while we try to find mitigation strategies to work around the issues with the flood.
A tough hospital experience that the mayor of Mission can personally attest to.
Over the last year, I spent a lot of time here with my father in the last stages of his life. It was a very undignified place to be. Whether you were a staff person, whether you were a patient, whether you were a family, coming into this space has not been a positive experience. Not enough space in the waiting room, not enough space within the actual emergency room itself, people often waiting in hallways, not very much privacy.
Back in March, the ER at Mission Memorial had to temporarily close its doors overnight for 2 weekends due to staffing shortages. The hospital hopes that these new upgrades will also help attract and retain more healthcare professionals.
It's not something that's isolated to our site. Staffing challenges across the spectrum of human resources and healthcare across the health authority and province is I think well publicized at this point. Many places where the province is making really good gains in providing care to other communities and in other ways, but as the province and community is growing rapidly, it means we're sometimes going to fight a little bit to catch up to that.
The design phase for the upgrade is underway and construction is slated to be complete in early 2027. In Mission, Cecilia Hua, City News.